The recent presidential election of America stands as one of the greatest moments in American history. The election was so closely fought that I believe that both the leaders have something to offer to the American people and the people of the world at large. A leader requires determination. It was not the first time that Joe Biden ran for US presidential office. Unlike many other presidential candidates in US, Joe Biden too ran for US presidential office in the year 1988, 2008 and now 2020. Almost a decade has passed, but Joe Biden did not lose the determination and he kept trying. And this teaches us that no matter how many times we fail, we must keep trying. And it is this determination which makes us achieve the biggest goals in our life. A leader must be uncompromising. Donald Trump never compromised with what he believed. Whether or not it was popular opinion, his views on issues like abortion regulations, immigration regulation never changed. Even if he received severe criticism from various walks of life, he kept on holding on to what he believed throughout his campaign. So as leaders, we should believe and we should never compromise on who we are unless it is changing for better. A leader must be perseverant. In the year 2015, when Joe Biden was Vice President of America, he suffered a great loss. He lost his son because of brain cancer. At one point of time, he thought of leaving the office, but he kept going despite of facing several challenges. And he did not allow his personal life to interfere with his professional life. And it was this leadership and resilience which the American people came to identify in Joe Biden. So as leaders, we must prioritize to serve others and the needs of others before our own. A leader must be trustworthy. Due to his uncompromising and firm nature, many of the conservative Americans were able to hold on to Donald Trump because the way he was able to hold on to what he believed in. And people require leaders whom they can trust. And Donald Trump was able to project this trust among the electorate throughout his presidential campaign. A leader should be able to face challenges head on. During the first presidential debate, Joe Biden opened up about his position on COVID-19, the severity it presented to the lives of American people, and his specific strategy to overcome COVID-19 pandemic to ensure the welfare of American people for economic gain. So as leaders, we must be able to face our challenges head on and not to hide away from them and not to act as if they do not exist when they really do. A leader must be firm to act. Donald Trump would always do what he said, and it reflected in all his major decisions, be it exiting the Paris Agreement or be promoting America First policy, and it all reflected throughout his presidential campaign. A leader must be able to accept criticism. I believe Donald Trump is one of the most criticized leaders in American history, and we have all seen jokes and memes making fun of Donald Trump. But honestly saying, there are very few people in this world who can take such a level of criticism and still come up before people with such a high level of optimism. So as leader, we should always be ready to accept criticism and be optimistic at all the times. A leader must be empathetic as well as sympathetic. During the second presidential debate, Joe Biden was able to redress all the issues, not collectively but individually, be it the issue of poverty, be it the issue of unemployment, or be it the issue of racial backlash faced by the black people of America, or be it advocating for the Affordable Health Care Act when the opposition was trying to repeal it. So, as leader, it is very important to feel the way the people of the country feel. A leader must display great amount of humility. 31-year-old security guard whom Joe Biden met in the elevator was the first person to nominate him as the Democratic candidate for US presidential election, and he greeted her with great amount of kindness and warmth. And this projected Joe Biden as a leader who was accessible to all. So as leader, we must be humble and always grounded, because we cannot lead the people whom we do not know. Thank you.